This video is about converting our home currency into foreign currency, about converting euros into foreign currency, and then when you're coming home from somewhere, changing the foreign currency back into euros again. So how does this work? This table here shows us that the exchange rates for the euro into different currencies. So €1 will buy you $1.1852. It will buy you 124.27 yens, and so on, and 0.90754 pounds sterling. So how do we use that? Well, if you're traveling to America, you might want to change, say, 500 euros into dollars. And how do you do that? Well, you multiply it by 1.1852. And that's going to give you $592.60. You just multiply it. If we want to convert, say, 1,100 euros into sterling, well, then we multiply it by 0.90754. And that's going to give us €998.29. So what have we learned to do? We've learned to multiply when going away. We multiply our euros by the exchange rate will give us our foreign currency. Now, what happens when you're coming back home? You have foreign money and you want to convert it back into euros. It's the same exchange rate table that we used before, but now what we do is to convert $800 back into euros, we divide it by the exchange rate. So we divide it by 1.1852, and that's going to give us 674.99. So £700 sterling, again you divide it by its exchange rate, which is 0.90754, and that's going to give us €771.32. And let's now divide the yen. So the exchange rate is 8,000 yen divided by 124.27. 124.27. Let's see what that gives us in euros. That's only €64.38. Okay. So what have we learned to do? We learned that when we're coming back home, we divide. Okay. So let's do an example now. So you take your family to New York, you convert 350 euros into US dollars, calculate how many US dollars you have. Well, you're going away, so you multiply 350 by the rate, which is 1.1852, which means you've got $414 in your pocket and 82 cents. And you spent $276 on your visit to New York and you return to Ireland. You convert your remaining monies to euro, calculate the remaining euro. Okay, in this case, you had 414, you spent 276, which gives you 138.82. Subtract that, and then to convert it back into euros, you divide it because you're coming home. You divide it by 1.1852, which gives you 117 euros and 12 cents. Overall, what did we learn? Very simply, you multiply when you're going away, you divide when you're coming home. So you multiply your euro multiplied by the rate equals the foreign currency, and the foreign currency divided by the rate equals the euros. So there's two things to remember, and I hope that helps.